Why you in the lens?
Right in the lens, of course. Why you gonna look by yourself?
I don't know why anybody would do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in 2017, we did a video on our hair goals for that year, and in this video is going to be like a response video to see if we achieved those goals in 2017 and
or new goals for 2018.
And also thank you guys for 9,000 plus
300 and some
subscribers. Last year when we did this video, I think we had 6,000. We are over 6,000 subscribers, and that is a lot of people.
Wow.
We had 6,000 something subscribers, and I was thanking you guys for that. So this year we're thanking you for almost 10,000. So that's our goal for January, to get to 10,000 subscribers.
January, February. Okay, so starting off with me. Alright, so in 2017, I said I wanted a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase or a sheet set or something to sleep on to prevent my hair from drying. I don't sleep on pillows, so the pillowcase alone won't be enough, so I need like a satin sheet set. How is that bougie?
That's expensive.
It is expensive, but I need to make the sacrifice and get one, or at least a piece of satin cloth at like the head part of my bed, so when I sleep in, yeah. I didn't get that. I didn't get a bonnet. I didn't get anything satin. I never get a satin situation. Nothing at all.
I had the same goal. That was one of my goals too. And yes, I actually got one because my hair too precious. Not that much. I don't think I wear it every night though. Not even wear it every night, but yeah, I got a satin bonnet and I'm proud. So I achieved one goal.
Okay, for me, I wanted to moisturize daily, and I didn't start moisturizing daily, but I did moisturize more. Before, I said that I only moisturize like on the day that I did the hairstyle, and then I left it like that for a while. This time, I can't remember. Like weekends, definitely, I don't moisturize at all. But when I'm going to school, I start moisturizing those days. So yeah, I feel proud of myself.
Kudos to you.
Yeah.
My next goal was to get a haircut, and I never got it. I'm sad. Okay, my next goal for 2017 is to get a haircut. Like short hair, it just looks so sassy and it's fun. It make it look like you're enjoying life. I still want a big chop.
Why are you looking over here? I keep telling her not. She wants to grow her hair, but she also wants to cut it. So I don't know how that makes sense.
I feel like, no, I want to cut it more than I want to grow it. I just want to see how long it can grow, and then I cut it, and I like I keep it. And if it, you
might like it.
My hair is the longest that it has ever been now, and all I do is wear buns, so.
The thing that I said, I wanted to be more consistent with deep conditioning and like protein treatment. Yes, I only do it like whenever I feel like, so if I feel like, oh, it's been a while since I do a protein treatment, then I usually do some DIY thing. So I need to religiously do it like like every 6 weeks. Mark my calendar and say, okay, this Saturday.
Will you watch my phone?
You just did it. Stand up practice. My life is just in shambles. Like, I'm not taking care of my hair. I don't know how. I still have hair.
Cause you're Indian.
I am not still, but I did do more last year than usual. But I'm just not as consistent as I would like to be. I think I said I wanted to deep condition every week. I don't think that's going to happen this year, so I'm not even going to set that as a goal. I can say every 2 to 3 weeks I can So deep condition every 2 to 3 weeks. That sounds more practical for me now than every week, cause no, I'll try.
That doesn't sound like
I feel like I need to mark it on my calendar or something. So I need to.
I get a to-do list.
Yes.
Next one was to get a hair color. When they claimed so it was a surprise. So for this year, I want to get a new hair color, but I'm not telling you guys what it's going to be. I want it to be a surprise. And I'm not sure what the big deal was, but yeah, I wanted to go blonde because I've never went blonde before. I've never gone blonde. I've never gone blonde. I've
never been blonde.
I've never been blonde before. So I did it and I didn't like it. So I'm gonna keep it for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Thereabout.
And then I dyed it back red. And then I dyed it back to black. Cause I'm getting older and I'm trying to be more, you know, classy. I joke. When I dye hair black, it looked shinier and healthier. And because it was bleached and all, and I never have time to keep re-dyeing it, it kind of start look trashy and dry and whatever. So I'm just dye it black so it can look shine. And yeah, I'll link the video to, I'll leave the link to me dyeing my hair black.
Since you're talking about the hair color, this isn't on my list, but in the video I did talk about doing some to the back of my hair. Because at the time it was like a copper color and I said I wanted to dye it pink and whatever. I did, and I posted that video on the channel, but it was not anything like what I wanted. And it was basically a fail. I wasn't happy with it. It didn't come out how I wanted it. It doesn't bleach past a certain color.
It stay like golden.
Yeah, it doesn't get like really light. And I would really love that color, but it never got that color ever.
Yeah, so any professionals out there want to dye her hair and get it platinum blonde, hit us up.
Yeah. So now my hair is still not anything special. It just wash out now and I don't know what to do with it. I'm waiting on everything to grow back so I can cut it and have everything black again. So this is basically all the new growth.
Okay, okay. I said I wanted to do more hairstyles. I actually did less hairstyles than I ever did in my entire life. Because my hair grow more, so I'm going to do a wear bun. High bun, low bun, side bun, two bun to the middle, but mostly high bun, because I'm going to feel like the longer my hair get, the more I just have a wear bun. So that's why I need to cut it. You agree, right?
Fine. I think you at least need to get to 20, right?
Oh, true.
Before
And then,
you
true.
make the decision to do it. So I did get the haircut that I said I wanted to get, and I did a video on that. We'll link that as well. And I have been cutting my hair since to get rid of all the damage from the color hair, and I've been trimming my ends occasionally. I did it like twice in 2017, more than ever.
And top by your bang.
Oh yeah, I did cut bangs as well. That grew up now still, but you have another one?
And yeah, that's it for my goals.
Alright, so I have one last thing. I remembered last year I said I wanted to look more like a YouTuber.
Oh yeah, me they said that too.
Yeah, that never happened. That never happened. And I actually don't want that anymore. So on to our 2018 goals.
I only have one goal for 2018, and that's to get a TWA. That's the big chop.
That's your only hair goal?
That's my only hair. Why I don't have any more hair goals? Because I don't know how the hair going to be. So, and then last year, because my hair grew, I'm only a retina bun. I feel like everything just hopeless. So the only thing I want to do is get, or maybe I relax. I don't know.
No, definitely not. I have quite a few. I have 7, but quick run through. I want to stop using sulfate shampoos overall, because you know me, always using the regular VO5, don't care. So I want to stop using sulfate shampoos for real and see how that would be for my hair. And I'm still on my journey to waist length hair. I cut it every minute still, so I don't know. Probably 2020 before that happened.
Show them where you reach.
This is where my hair is. So
girl, I waist this is too rich.
my waist is like here.
She's
and
like,
I reach right.
she's like 2 inches away from. How much inches? Okay, like 4 inches away from waist length.
Yeah, so 2020.
But, yeah, you used to have waist length here though.
Yeah,
And I
it
used to
was.
go.
We'll try and put a picture somewhere if I find one to send Ashley. Yeah, about the whole bonnet thing, I still want to cover my hair at night. I want to get one of the jacket I know bonnets. You see those African print bonnets, so I figured to buy one for my birthday. So yeah.
So she can take picture and post on Tumblr.
And Snapchat, and now they stop seeing me on Snapchat. Follow us on Snapchat, by the way. And I want to do more protective styling, and I want to style my hair more. Oh, do less buns, so that's the last thing. So I don't wear my hair like this on a regular day ever. I just always put my hair in a bun. So I want to stop doing that. I feel like that's why right here is satirical. Because my hair always in a bun. Less buns for 2018. We'll see.
More buns for 2018.
No more, you stop the
for
buns
me.
too.
Is
that long hair thing?
Yeah.
Like when your hair, you need to stop.
Cut out of a wash. It just take everything just harder to do and take longer to do, so you just burn it and nobody can know say it a birdness in the middle and it not come out.
And it not come out, yeah. Alright, so that's our goals, and I think next year we'll do a video like this.
An update to see if my bald or not, or if I have brush strap length hair, or if I have relaxed hair, we don't know.
We'll see. Alright, so thank you guys for watching.
Leave your hair goals below, and you know what else you like to see from us, and
follow us on Snapchat to see our journey.
You love to people will follow you on Snapchat too?
You don't want them to follow you on your social
in our next video.
Bye.
Peace. We always say that.
Actually, I like your shirt for real.
Hey, look, I'll give it to you. Oh. Come up.
Oh, with a chair.
Like forward.
Yeah.
Never move. But why you put in the way? Why you put the pants if you want to move it?